Life is good though. I want y'all to see that life is great. Your life is great too. Have a good time, man. Have some fun.
Hi, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth Ann, and today is going to be a 75 hard vlog. So let's just get into it. Good morning. It is 4 a.m. No, I don't wake up at 4 a.m. every day. Let me tell you a little story time. Essentially, I went to bed at like 8 o'clock, and then I started waking up at 1 o'clock with a mix of tossing and turning and nightmares, or actually it was like when my immune system is literally going to shut down on me. If you're new here, my name is Elizabeth Ann. I am 26 years old. I graduated in technically the fall, but the spring, from Oklahoma State University. I currently live in Dallas and I work at SoulCycle. So if you've never seen my face before, or if you haven't been subscribed for a long time, I guess it was during COVID. It would have been like summer 2020. I did 75 hard for the first time and I didn't finish it. I think I made it like a few weeks in, but the weeks in that I made it, I could tell like such a difference. And I do technically do a lot of these things already, but you know, I just wanted to push myself a little bit. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into day one of these 75 hard. All my alarms. Alexa, cancel my alarm for this morning. Okay, this is the time that I was originally supposed to be waking up, so. Anyway, I'm gonna sit here and start doing my journaling stuff. Okay, we are ready for our day. It's for my hair. Ignore my hair right now. Okay. We're headed to work. It's 5:56. I'm going early because I want Starbucks. Let me put on my shirt really quick. I have like a million things on my mind right now that I'm gonna forget about when I get back home, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. I'm gonna take my smaller vlog camera because I have another video filming for, I guess, like next week or this week or whatever. So actually, you guys will see that one first. It's like just goal setting. Oh my gosh, my psoriasis in my underarm is burning. Okay, 75 hard. Let's get it. We're gonna walk after work, but anyway, okay, bye. Update, I've made it to work. I just grabbed Impossible sandwich for breakfast. I'm taking some of my medicine. I just dropped one of my pills. Much better. Not the hair, but the situation. So we had a little bit of a flag on the play. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna do my skincare while I talk to you guys. First of all, the biggest flag is my hair. So let's fix my hair. I stretched, I did a little bit of like meditation and yoga, as you guys saw. I did that again last night. I have to stretch twice a day for my back issues. Yeah, so there's a huge snow/ice storm. Amazing. Anyway, okay, so here I am. Let's do our skincare. So I went to coffee/lunch with my friend, and as we were sitting there, it started snowing and icing. So that was amazing, and then the traffic was like really bad. And eventually made it home, and essentially I have a feeling I'm going to be stuck here for the next at least 24 hours. I don't know. My dad said that he thinks it might be better tomorrow. But anyway, I do have work 4 to 8 tomorrow. But they canceled classes today. So we'll just see. Maybe work, maybe not. None of that has to do with the 75 hard though, right? So first up, I'm using this. I am not like one of these girlies. So this is like very humbling. Okay guys, I literally can't see what I'm doing, but I hope it's a good angle. It might not be. We'll see when we're editing this. Anyway guys, I realized I didn't go over the rules, so I thought I would tell you as I do my skincare. This is CEO Glow. If we could YouTuber girl without telling me. Anyway, I read that you're supposed to put in like this, but I'm not, like, I'm no skincare guru. I honestly paid enough money that it should be. Anywho, so I sort of stuck at home. I have 3-hour training for CPR and like AED in like 2 hours. I'm not really going outside, but I'm just gonna put my SPF. Also, you guys, for so long I was using this at home like all winter break when I was stuck there with COVID, and I was like, why does this like feel different? And it was because I accidentally told my mom to get the one without sunscreen. So anywho, back to the 75 hard. Let's talk about it. I did this, like I said earlier in the video. Now, what am I doing? In 2020? Yeah, because it was the summer of COVID. And I only did it for 4 weeks. I only did it for a few weeks before I quit. So I really liked it, and it was great. And I did it for a few weeks, but I quit because... And then I sort of like wanted to start it back I guess a year and a half ago. I just never did. And so here we are. We're starting it now, like literally so much later. And I have like super different rules. I'm gonna put some Vaseline on my lips because I'm getting a fever blister. Anywho, so here I am sitting on top of my little toilet. I just want to get the rules out before I move locations, and honestly from there lighting's not too shabby. These towels, however, not folded correctly. This one's just hanging up. Anywho, here we are. Let's get into it. So the traditional rules are no alcohol, you stick to a specific diet, you like pick your diet and stick to it. You read 10 pages of a nonfiction book every day. You take transformation photos / videos every day. You like weigh yourself on the first day, measure yourself on the first day. Drink a gallon of water a day. And lastly, you do 2 workouts, 1 inside, 1 outside. So there's a few things that I took into consideration. I know my body, and I'm going to listen to my body throughout this. The second being, I know that I have issues with my back and numbness and things, so that's like a whole thing. And so on days that I just really cannot push that to the limit, I won't. My goal is to walk every day outside at least for 30 minutes, and then on the days that I can fit it in, I'm aiming for twice a week to do a workout class. So I work at SoulCycle, so I want to incorporate like SoulCycle, Pilates and stuff, but right now I am having to do most of them at home, A, because of the weather, but B, because I'm trying to take it lighter on my body. It's COVID, and I don't want to like jump into it. I've had a few things happen where I don't really want to go straight into like a group workout fitness class where it's like really, really hard on me. I'm going to drink a gallon of water a day. I'm going to read a chapter of a book every day. I have a few self-help books already. I'll show you guys just in 1 second. I want to journal, meditate every morning. I want to have my morning like routine every morning. Stick to like a low carb, high protein diet. I'm diabetic, so I already stick to a pretty strict diet as it is. I have sweets every once in a while. Take a transformation photo / video. A big thing is I want to vlog a 75 hard vlog every week and get it up. It doesn't have to be long, like it could be like 5 minutes, but I would like to have that in my routine and my YouTube channel. I feel like I'm forgetting something. I didn't bring my phone or my notebook that had all my stuff on it. I'm mainly doing this to push myself, and on the days I don't work, I would like to walk twice a day outside, but I know there's weather and everything, and so since things happening that is happening outside, I will be doing indoor workouts. And I have been working this job for a few weeks now, and it's pushing me to wake up super early and have this routine. My body, I feel so good overall. I can just tell like my quality of life feels so much better. I am feeling a lot more content with what I'm doing and like where I'm at, and I feel like I just want to continue to transform my life with this like new beginning and new life that I've started here. So I'm very excited. I hope you guys enjoyed hearing my goals. I know that I'm very precise and like kind of weird, and it's kind of like an odd time for me to start the 75 hard. Oh, also the alcohol, I'm a sober queen, so that doesn't even apply to me anymore. But yeah, that's about it. Okay, let's get into the rest of our day. I've changed. I'm wearing the same little bra top, but I've put on, oops. Okay, before we do anything, I'm going to tidy up, and I'm going to show you guys really quick what it looks like outside, out this window. I'm not walking outside because I am in shorts and a tank top. But I just need to tidy this up since it's such like a small space. Like just sitting down to eat or do something simple, it gets a little messy. So I just kind of try to tidy up as much as I can. So anyway, I'm really excited. Okay, essentially I got workout pants the other day from Beyond Yoga, and they didn't fit. Honestly, I might have even been able to go down to a medium, but I think it would have been a little too tight on my like butt. So I am ordering, I'll put it on the screen right here, some Align pants. These are these the old ones? Yeah. These are my Aligns that I've had for years, and I really probably should not be wearing to work, but guess what? It is what it is.
Lazy Sunday mornings.
Oh, that's so cute. It's giving snow. Okay. Hi. I did not have time to do that. I ended up just cleaning, but I've got to eat a little more. I had like lunch at like 11. It is like 2. I think I'm gonna have a little part. If you have a Sam's membership, you need to go because they do a 20-pack of this. This is my favorite yogurt, Greek yogurt, for 20 bucks, which is such a steal. So anyway, I'm just going to have this, and I think usually I put Cheerios in here, but I think I'm gonna do this instead. Or should I do Oats? No, I'm gonna do this. I'm not gonna measure it, I'm just gonna kind of. Oh my god. That's good. This is just gluten-free micelli. It's from the Red Mill brand. And then I'm doing mixed berry. Woo. Okay, I think I'm also gonna throw these over there just in case I get hungry during the Zoom.
Life is good though. I want y'all to see that life is great. Your life is great.